Okay, so I'm here and I'm up this pool. Tested the water last few weeks. I'm getting 0 chlorine. And this is a salt pool, so I'm coming over here to the cell system. I inspected the cell. Cell looks good. Sometimes it can be dirty and they're just not producing chlorine, but took that apart. That was fine. Come over here. And the red light says that there's no flow. So under here, there's a little phone jack plug. Goes right under here. This connects to the flow sensor, and I was just following the wire. Here we go. Goes down, and then look at this. It looks like it got cut with a weed whacker or something. I don't know what happened, but this is it right here. And here's the other end of it. Look at that. So I don't know. It just got cut, sliced in half, or chewed on by a rodent or something. So anyway, I'm gonna replace it. I got the new one here, flow switch, pair of channel locks, and some Teflon tape, and then I got some zip ties too to zip tie the cord, keep it out of the way so it doesn't get chopped by a weed whacker or whatever, if that's what happened. I don't know. And then obviously I got some cutters, make it look clean. So anyway, all I'm gonna do is turn off the equipment, and I'm gonna take that off, put some Teflon around it, pop it back in, and then plug the other end into the bottom of the control unit here, and see if we can get this no flow light to come off. Okay. So that's what that looks like. I just took it out. Sometimes these actually break and they snap right off. I've seen that before, but this one's fully intact, but obviously the cord was cut. So I'm gonna put the new one in. And also very important, if you look on here, you see the arrows pointing to the right. Make sure the arrows are pointing to the flow of water. So in this case, it was that way. So I need to make sure the new one has the arrows pointing towards the cell. Okay, that's very important. So I took this out of the box, and it looks like, you know, Hayward actually puts a little Teflon on it. But I actually just wrapped maybe 3 revolutions of Teflon around it. You don't want too much on there, but you just want to make sure you get enough on there so it doesn't leak. Okay. Okay, so just ended up putting that in there. The arrows are pointing that way, so we should be good. So before I start using the zip ties to attach it to the pipe, I want to make sure that this isn't leaking, so I'm going to turn it on, and because if it is, then I'm going to have to take it out, re-Teflon it, and put it back. So I want to do that before I get it all zip tied. Alright, okay, so no leak, and you know, this is a pretty long cord. I didn't have that much of a run, but you're not going to cut anything. But let's just plug this in and see what happens. Out goes the old, in goes the new. No flow light, starts blinking. See what happens. flashing. Usually when it's flashing, it just means that there's a time delay. And then it disappears, and now we're generating. That's it. So it was a bad flow sensor.